Martha. I know you have a deep desire to share what you know in the best interest of people who need it the most. Explore what others are doing in that environment, but know that you don't have to do it their way. Opportunity will look different for you. Trust, but vet. Explore, but focus. Writing this letter was really difficult for me because I struggle with this ego. Meaning, I want to say that I wouldn't change anything that I've done, and therefore you, younger self, shouldn't worry about it. Just keep going, be strong. But in all honesty, that's not entirely truthful. In fact, wanting to be a tech founder, the impossible thing for someone like me, made it difficult to see who I really was, who you really are right now. And that's an expert in talent acquisition and talent management. So start there. Do what you already know how to do well. Help people, help companies one by one solidify their workforce, their structure, their function, and then the rest will come. The technology will eventually happen. Trust me, the universe will celebrate your intentionality and your hard work. But it's not going to happen until you recognize the value that you bring into the ecosystem. Let tech be tech. Fancy, uppity, Silicon Valley. That will always change and progress. But one thing that will not change is something that you have and the rest needs. Your knowledge. Stick with that. The tech will adapt. You have what it takes, girl. Thank you.